What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to fix this issue that used to appear on your WordPress media library when you try to upload an .svg file, okay? So sorry, this file type it's not permitted for security reasons. This is a very common WordPress issue, and into this video you're gonna learn how to safely fix it, okay? So let's get this started. But before, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics in order to use internet on your favor, okay? So let's get started on the WordPress dashboard, okay? And from the WordPress dashboard, into the left side of menus, in the left sidebar of menus, hover your mouse over plugins and click on add new, okay? Once on it, we're gonna search for a very useful plugin into the upper right corner called WPCode. This is a very useful plugin in order to apply custom code on WordPress. We will not need to code anything for this tutorial, no need to worry. This is a free and code-free tutorial. So click on install, click on activate. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins list on your WordPress dashboard, where you can see all of the currently installed plugins on your site. And you're gonna be able to see a new button into the left sidebar of menus under settings called code snippets. And this is what WPCode does, okay? So what are you gonna do? This plugin lets us to apply custom codes on our site. For example, if you review the last video of our channel, you're gonna see how to use this plugin in order to remove the default WordPress site map and why you should do this. But it comes with pre-built sets of code to fix very common issues on WordPress, and add custom code to allow SVG file upload is one of them. So just click on code snippets, add snippet, and as you can check into the most popular codes, we can have alloy SVG file uploads. You can click on use snippet, okay? Just right here. And the snippet is already present on your site and ready to work. This custom code right here gonna make your site capable of accept SVG files. And location, this is important, okay? We can run everywhere, front end only or admin only. We only want that the admins of the site uses this code. So we're gonna change the location for admin only. This is very important for your security, okay? After this, we are already good to go. The code is already made. We're gonna switch this little switcher next to the update button into the upper right corner from inactive to active, okay? And after this, click on update. And after this made, no more gonna be able to see this issue of file type not permitted, okay? Simple, easy, fast, and effective for free, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out our Borders WordPress plugin in order to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools for build up your site and even pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. Moreover, in the case that you are in need of an amazing free WordPress theme, just go to your WordPress dashboard, appearance, themes, add new, search for Enzu WordPress theme, click on install and activate it. Enzu is an amazing free WordPress tool that gives you free templates, free pre-built websites, and many more customization options that not even some premium themes offers. And as a final note, in the case that you are in need of more pre-built websites to import for every business style, premium icons, premium images, premium assets, and many more widgets and blocks to do your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, enjoy our full support while doing your site, landing page, or sales page, or blog, and go premium. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!